So our client is unresponsive client. Remember we said a response can either be responsive or unresponsive, okay? So the client we have here is very unresponsive. Will you close your eyes? Hata nikikuta, don't respond. Hata nikikushika, vile ulikuwa una respond saa ile ulikuwa unakausha mkono ukauke hivyo, sawa? Aya. So we said this client is not responsive. You can see that she's not respond. The client cannot respond, hajafungua hata macho. Aya. No. What did we say? You are intact. Unisikii. Usikunjue mkono. So you can see mkono vile imekauka. Najaribu hata kuikunja. Haifanyi nini? Haikunjiki. The client is very unresponsive. Okay? Aya. Very unresponsive. So in this case, what did we say? If the client is unresponsive, where next do you go? You start feeling the CPR. You are doing CPR to someone when you are the next thing, saying after anasema kwa sauti CPR. So you're doing CPR to someone who cannot respond to you. Mkono ndio hii ni ngumu kaukau, imekauka kaukau. Ndio huyu umetap, macho itafunguka. Umetap hapa, ifunguki. Umejaribu kufungua, kuifunguki. So why are you conducting CPR? Why? Such a client, the next thing is you feel pass rate. If you feel the pass rate is there, hata kama iko kwa umbali, tag red. What did we say red stands for? Highly urgent or highly emergency, okay? So you tag that client and you rush them, you dial 999. If there is no ambulance in the near or on the site, you can ask maybe a motorbike to take you, or you can ask anyone who is driving to take the client to the nearest hospital, okay? In most instances, people will save people. No matter how much you hate someone, no matter how strange a person is to you, in case they are in danger, your instinct will always tell you, rescue them, okay? You cannot leave someone who is dying. So this client is unresponsive. The next thing is you carry them to the ambulance, okay? We will get their own transportation of a casualty from the danger, from where danger is, to an ambulance, or when you are moving them from an ambulance to their hospital bed. Okay, unresponsive client, shuka.